Welcome to Bestuseful Tips. I will show you how to change the notification sound on your Google Pixel 7a. Open the app drawer, tap on the settings app, now tap on the sound and vibration. Now scroll down until you can see default notification sound, tap on it. By default set the notification sound. You can choose from a different categories on your pixel. If you want to set custom notification sound, tap on my sounds. Tap on a plus icon at the bottom right. Now select the file audio file you want to set a notification sound from your device. Also choose from a notification sound from the download or a pixel phone settings. Just select the sound like this. When you select the notification sound, it will add to list. Select it and tap on a save at the top right to change the notification sound on your device. That's it. If you like it, share it.